Welcome to our medicinal plant YouTube channel. We learn how can use herbs in daily life and gets benefit in simple methods. Let's begin with Tinospora, also known as heart-leaved moonseed, the most premier medicinal herb. It is a miraculous ancient herb with amazing medicinal value and health benefits. It is native of India. The climber plant is familiar in Ayurveda called Amrutaballi, Guduchi, Giloi, etc. It is considered as divine herbs used in India from ancient ages. Let's start how to make remedies with these herbs for curing different diseases. In stomach burning, take Tinospora fresh leaf to make a juice and 2 spoon bishop weed powder, then mix with cup of buttermilk. This recipe is very useful to stomach burning. In heart disease, half teaspoon of Tinospora stem powder and added couple of pepper grain powder. Stir well in cup of water. If daily use routine booster to your heart diseases. For increase memory power, ginger, sweet flag, inknut, asparagus, water hyssop and equal quantity of Tinospora stem grinder to prepare smooth powder. Take half spoon powder with little amount of ghee and to make well paste like for licking. After eat recipe, must drink red stone sugar added milk. Stone in gallbladder, Tinospora stem, puncture vine, ashwagandha, Indian gooseberry, ginger are in same quantity and powdered it. 10 gram of powder to make a decoction in pure water. Daily just 1 spoon of decoction enough to melt down stones in gallbladder. In visual impairment, Tinospora, gooseberry, long pepper are equal rate is to make crushing them boiling with water around 15 minutes. Well flavored decoction will get. Take half cup of decoction with honey for visual impairment is improved. The same decoction also useful to decrease cholesterol, obesity and increase life expectancy. When added loha basma with decoction, you get result in few months. In fever, Tinospora, nutgrass, coriander, asparagus, root of wood apple, Indian gooseberry are taken in same quantity, well dried and powdering. Little amount of powder to boiled with 2 cup of pure water. Choose half cup of decoction when it cool. In bleeding, take 20 gram Tinospora fresh leaf, make a juice and add 2 spoon sugar. Use twice a day. It controls bleeding. In urinary burning, 1 gram of Tinospora stem powder taking in a cow milk or buttermilk twice a day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, press bell button for more interesting video.